Now listen to me. I'm telling you right now, the world is changing faster than a toupee in a hurricane. You look around and everything is about this thing they call AI, artificial intelligence. It sounds all complicated like something from a science fiction movie, but let me break it down for you real simple. It's just smart computers, that's it. And these smart computers are creating a brand new gold rush. Not with pickaxes and shovels, nah. This gold rush is happening right there on your phone, on your laptop, in your living room. It's a gold rush for regular folks. For you. Everybody's talking about a side hustle. Why? Because the 9 to 5 ain't cutting it anymore. The cost of eggs, the price of gas. Don't even get me started. People need a little extra something to get by, to get ahead, to finally build that dream. A side hustle used to mean driving for somebody, delivering food, or working retail on the weekends. Hard work, I respect it. But what if I told you there was a smarter way to hustle? A way where you use your brain, your creativity, a little bit of this AI magic to make some real life-changing money. This ain't a fantasy. This is happening right now, today. September 15th, 2025. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a rich uncle. All you need is a little bit of get up and go. This AI revolution is the great equalizer. Let me tell you about a brother named Marcus from Atlanta. Good man, hard worker, was working in logistics for a big company, thought he was set. He had a family, a mortgage, the whole American dream. Then one Tuesday morning, boom, the email, your position has been eliminated. Just like that. Laid off. He felt the world pulled out from under him. Scared, mouths to feed, weeks of resumes, getting nothing but silence. One night he scrolls on his phone. He sees a video. Black kings and queens, astronauts, superheroes made with AI. Marcus couldn't draw, but he was hooked. Light bulb. People buy art that represents them. He saw an opportunity. He decided to create his own job. He starts small. Custom portraits, wedding photos, kids into superhero posters. He opens a little online shop. His first sale was a custom pet portrait. The customer posted it. Orders trickled in. Then they started flowing. Then they became a flood. Before he knew it, $500 a day, sometimes $700. On a good day, $1,000. All from his living room. He went from laid off to paid up, from panic to powerful. He's not just selling pictures, he's selling joy. He's selling representation, showing people a version of themselves they've always wanted to see. And it all started because he got knocked down and decided to get up in a brand new way. Now you're probably thinking, okay Steve, that's a great story, but what did he do? What buttons did he push? I got you. It's not some secret society stuff. Marcus used a tool called MidJourney. You might have heard of it. It's an AI image generator. Basically you talk to it. You type in what you want to see and it paints the picture. You don't need to know how to paint or draw at all. You just need to know how to describe what's in your head. It's like having your own Leonardo da Vinci for pennies. So, how did he learn it? He didn't go to some fancy tech school. He went to the University of YouTube. He learned the language. He spent a couple of nights treating it like a video game. He learned by doing. He joined online groups. It's a community. He learned the real skill is being a good director. Be specific. Now hold on, I gotta keep it real with you. It wasn't all sunshine and roses for Marcus. This ain't no fairy tale where he just pushed a button and money started falling from the sky. There was a struggle. At first the AI just would not listen. It was like trying to tell a stubborn mule where to go. He'd type in a happy family laughing, the AI would spit out a picture where everybody had 6 fingers and 3 rows of teeth. It was downright creepy. He almost gave up. He had customers getting impatient. One lady wanted an anniversary portrait. AI made the husband look like his face was melting. He was sweating bullets. Bought himself some time. He felt like a fraud. The pressure was on. It was a test of his faith, a test of his grit, so how did he fix it? He didn't quit, he got smarter, he went back to his notes. He realized he was being too vague. Instead of just saying a happy family, he started getting specific. Photorealistic style, warm lighting, sharp focus. He learned to add what he didn't want, like negative prompt, extra fingers, distorted faces. He started talking to the AI like it was a slightly dumb but very talented intern. You gotta give it clear, direct instructions. He also learned the art of patience and revision. The first picture is rarely the final one. It's a starting point, a draft. He tweaked it. He'd say, okay, I like this, but make the mother's smile bigger. Change the background to a beach at sunset. He realized it was a conversation. He overcame the struggle not by finding a magic button but by refining his skill. He turned his frustration into a formula. And that's when his business really took off. Let me tell you about another one. A sister named Brenda from Chicago. A school teacher. God bless the teachers. They do the Lord's work for pennies on the dollar. Brenda loved her kids. She loved her job. She was drowning in debt. Student loans, car note, rent in the city. Her teacher's salary just wasn't enough. She was working 2 jobs, still barely keeping her head above water. She dreamed of not being constantly stressed, maybe even taking a vacation. Brenda was always a great writer, but she didn't know how to make real money from it. Who was going to pay her? Then she heard about AI writing assistants. At first she was offended. Then a thought hit her. What if it was her assistant? She saw small businesses, entrepreneurs, they needed content. They didn't have time, they didn't know how. With an AI assistant, she could do the work of 10 writers. She could serve 10 times as many clients. She reached out to a local bakery. Let me rewrite your About Us page. I'll write 3 blog posts. If you like it, you pay me. If you don't, you owe me nothing. She used an AI tool to generate first drafts, then she polished them. The bakery owner was blown away. He paid her. He hired her on a monthly contract. Brenda's AI-powered writing agency was born. So what was Brenda's secret weapon? It wasn't anything you need a PhD to understand. She was using a tool called Jasper AI and another one called ChatGPT 4. Think of them like a super smart intern who can type 1,000 words a minute and never asks for a coffee break. You give it a topic, and it gives you a whole article back in seconds. It takes the hardest part of writing and completely eliminates it. Brenda learned like Marcus, YouTube in practice. She gave the AI a voice. She learned how to feed it information. The AI used it to create personal, authentic content. She wasn't just pressing a button, she was guiding the tool. Brenda used the AI text as a first draft. Then, she put on her editor hat. The AI did about 80%. She provided the final 20%, the polish, the soul. She delivered high-quality content fast. This allowed her to take on more clients and charge competitive prices. She was making $500 a day, then $600, working just a few hours after school. She was finally getting paid what she was worth. Now, Brenda's journey wasn't a straight line. Robot voice, rejections, burnout from saying yes to everyone. Alright, you've heard the stories, you've seen the proof. Now you're sitting there thinking, okay Steve, I'm ready, I want a piece of this pie. What do I do? I'm gonna lay it out for you, step by step. No fluff, just the real deal. First things first, pick your hustle. Don't try to do everything at once. Are you a visual person like Marcus? Maybe AI art? A word person like Brenda? AI writing? AI video creation? AI voiceovers? AI-powered coaching chatbots? Pick one that sounds fun. If it ain't fun, you won't stick with it. Step 2. Get educated for free. Don't go spend $1,000 on some course. Not yet. Go to YouTube. Watch the videos. Take notes. Spend one solid weekend just learning. Play with the free versions of these tools. Get comfortable. Learn the basics without spending a dime. Your biggest investment should be your time and your attention. Step 3 is the scariest, but the most important. You have to make an offer. You don't need a fancy website to start. Go on Facebook, go on Instagram, go on LinkedIn, post what you can do. Hey everybody, I'm now offering custom AI pet portraits. DM me for details. Attention small business owners. Special introductory rate for my first 3 clients. Start with your own network. And finally, step 4. Do a great job and get paid. For your first few clients, over-deliver. Give them more than they asked for. Blow their minds. You want them to become your personal marketing team. Leave a glowing review. Tell their friends. Start low, get testimonials, then raise your prices. That's the formula. Listen to me. We are living in a moment in history. This AI thing is bigger than the internet. It's bigger than the smartphone. It is changing everything about how we work, how we create, and how we make money. You have 2 choices. Sit on the sidelines, or decide, right now, that you are going to be a part of it. You can decide to get in the game. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. This is your chance to stop trading all your time for a few dollars. This is your chance to build something that is yours. It's about freedom. To pay off debt, quit that job, spend time with family, take a vacation. This technology is the key. All you gotta do is turn it. Don't tell me you're not smart enough. You are. Don't tell me you're not tech savvy enough. You can learn. Marcus couldn't draw. Brenda was a teacher. The only thing separating you from them is a decision. The decision to try, the decision to learn, the decision to bet on yourself. You have to believe. So I'm asking you, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna open up a new tab and type youtube.com? Are you gonna take that first step? The future is here. The only missing ingredient is you. So go on, get started, claim your future. You owe it to yourself.